What do you understand from this picture? Do you think it is related to any product or service? If yes, then what is it? We are now showing you a demonstration of an enterprise resource planning software for handling construction projects. Security feature. The software protects the data at every layer. Control access. Encrypt data. Monitor activities. Automatic data backup feature. Make your data secure and safe. The ERP software has the following modules: tender or project marketing, engineering, material procurement, works or execution, quality control, environment health and safety, electromechanical or workshop or plant and machinery management, finance management, HR and labor management, communication and office management, post-project maintenance, dispute management. So let's start with the first module of tender or project marketing. This is the flowchart of tender and project marketing. You get information on tender from newspaper, websites, and other sources. You can select the tender application. You can create tender documents after rate analysis and necessary approvals, do final rate quoting, bid for the project. After the order is confirmed, the communication goes to other necessary departments. This is the screen for entering the details of. Notice inviting tender follow-up. You enter the details of client, project, document available details, submission details, tender opening details and contact person details. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Let's move to the second module of engineering. This is the flowchart of engineering. You can enter the details of material, item, labor, and you can do rate analysis, estimates. You can record construction planning, material planning, and accordingly, a requisition for material is raised. You can also check quality planning. And finally, record and monitor construction and quality. This is the screen for rate analysis of items. This is the entry screen for the estimation of a project. This is the estimate report. This is the estimation of a project, block-wise. Enter the details of construction planning of the project in the entry screen. This is the report of stage-wise construction planning. This is the analysis of construction stage planning. This is the stage-wise material planning report. Enter the details for monitoring the construction of the project. This is the construction monitoring report. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Let's move to the third module of material procurement. This is the flowchart of material procurement. You enter the details of vendor, material, and you get quotation, place order, get material receipt note, generate bills, and can do payments. This is the screen for entering the details of the vendor. And this is the list of the vendors, along with their details in a printable form. This is the screen of quotation for materials. This is the screen for entering the purchase order to vendor. And this is the printed form of purchase order. This is the entry screen of materials receipt note. And this is the printed form of the materials receipt note. This is the screen for payment bill certification. This is the material monitoring report. This is the current material stock report. This is the material expenditure report. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Let's move to the fourth module of works or execution. This is the flowchart of works procurement or execution. You enter the details of contractor, item, and keep tender, issue work order, maintain measurement book, generate bills, and make payments. This is the screen for entering the details of items. And this is the total list of items. This is the screen for entering the details of the contractor. This is the report showing the details of the contractors. This is the tender master screen. This is the entry screen and report of work order. This is the screen for bill certification. And this is the printable form of the bill. This is the creditor status report. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Let's move to the fifth module of quality control. Specification is recorded based on inspection of item, material, relevant test report, and proper parameters. The item will be executed under its code references. And after laboratory tests and field tests, quality certification reports are generated. This is the screen for entering the technical specifications. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Let's move to the sixth module of environment, health and safety. Specification is recorded based on inspection of item, material, relevant test report, and proper parameters. The item will be executed under its code references. Proper training is given to the employees and records are maintained. Finally, inspections are done and certification reports are generated. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Let's move to the seventh module of electromechanical or workshop or plant and machinery management. This is the flowchart or electromechanical workshop. You enter the details of the machine and installation details. You can do planned and unplanned maintenance of the machine, monitor fuel consumption of the machine, and check productivity. You can repair the machine during an emergency or breakdown, and make an inventory of spare parts, and can record scrap sales. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Let's move to the 8th module of Finance Management. This is the flowchart of finance. Accounts payable, accounts receivable, journal posting. The module is GST compliant. You can prepare financial statements, and you can do budget and monitoring. This is the screen for entering journal entries. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Let's move to the 9th module of HR and Labor Management. This is the flowchart of HR and Labor Management. You enter the details of employees, departments, employee salary, statutory salary, record daily attendance, evaluate employee performance, record promotion and increments, and generate leave status and salary slip. This is the screen for setting salary of employees. This is the monthly pay slip. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Let's move to the 10th module of Communication and Office Management. This is the flowchart of Communication and Office Management. The communication from management, stakeholder, staff, are recorded in the document register, along with the assignments and assets. This is the entry screen of File Management, and this is the report. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Let's move to the 11th module of Post-Project Maintenance. This is the flowchart of Property Management. You prepare maintenance and planning budget. Maintain the record of details manpower or sub-agency deploying for maintaining the project. Maintain inventory, make bill payments to vendors. And you record complaints, generate bills, and record payment receipts. This is the screen for maintenance bill. And this is the customer copy of the maintenance bill. This is the screen of electricity bill. And this is the customer copy of the electricity bill. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Let's move to the 12th module of Dispute Management. This is the flowchart of dispute management. You can identify the disputes and record it. You can make plans to mitigate the disputes. Once the disputes are settled, you can record the settlement and generate a report. Do you think it is essential for your work process? What can be improved in this module? Please look at the liking scale and tell, how did you find the package? Have you heard of MRC Prism Projects Private Limited? If yes, from where have you heard about it? If no, we will move to the next question. What do you think MRC Prism does? Have you heard about Construction Shield? If yes, from where have you heard about it? If no, move to the next page. MRC Prism Projects Private Limited. Founded in the year 2000. An ISO 9001:2015 certified company. Offers comprehensive project management and software services. Developed Builder Shield for real estate and Construction Shield for EPC contractors. Construction Shield. A complete management software for construction companies. Cost-effective method of improving management process. Recording and sorting of tenders. Controls all activities of the project with reference to cost, time, and quality benchmark. Are you using any other similar ERP software in your organization? If yes, please tell us the name. If no, skip the next question. How do you rate Construction Shield in comparison to the current software you are using, on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being lowest and 10 being highest? Will you be interested to use Construction Shield in future? Thank you.